Hello kids, how are you today? So I hope that you are doing fine. So once again, welcome to our video. So for today, we will be having Math, Week 13, Unit 9, Money. So this time, this is the part 2 of our lesson. So these are the things that you need. So you need your Math Students book, your Math workbook, pencil, eraser, and also notebook and paper. So for our objectives, at the end of the video, you should be able to identify the value of each coin, work out how to pay an exact sum using coins, and of course, answer some activities in your workbook. References. So for Math Students book, pages 192 to 193, and for Math workbook, pages 186 to 187. In this video, we will discuss the value of coins. But before we discuss the value of coins, in our previous video or in the first part of our video or lesson, we discussed about banknotes or bills and coins. So banknotes or bills are the paper money, while on the other hand, the coins are made up of metal and they have a circular or circle in shape. Now, what do you mean by value of coins? As we have mentioned, coins have smaller value than banknotes or bills. But for you to further understand the value of coins, let's play a video. So I'll be playing a video and I want you to listen so that you can understand the value of coins. And after the video, we will continue our lesson. Okay? So let's start.
Hey kids, how are you guys doing today? Great! Hey, I recently got a job mowing lawns for this park. I started to earn some money, but I was wondering if you can help me learn about money so I will know how much I am earning. Can you guys help me with that? Thanks, guys. Okay, let's go over to the table and look at some coins and see if we can make sense of it. Here on the table we have a golden diamond ring. On the right we have a big rock. Which one of these objects is bigger, the diamond ring or the rock? Yeah, the rock is totally bigger. Now can you tell me which one of these objects is worth more money? I heard someone say the diamond ring is worth more money, but how? The rock is so much bigger. Yeah, the diamond ring is definitely worth more than the rock though. Even though the ring is smaller, it is still worth more than the rock. And did you notice there is only one diamond ring and one rock? So even though there is only one of each of them has a different value. Let's look at some coins now, and I will show you what I mean. This coin is called a penny. A penny is worth only 1 cent. The word cent is used when talking about coins. This is the cent symbol. Okay, let's use our tens blocks to compare the worth or value of this coin. The penny is only worth 1 cent, as we see here. This next coin is called a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. These 5 ones blocks represent the value of this nickel. So the penny is worth 1 cent, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Our next coin is smaller than the nickel and the penny. But just as we learned with the ring and the rock, the size is not important. This coin is called a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. We can see this with one of our tens blocks. This tens block has 10 blocks in it, so it represents the dime. So the penny is worth 1 cent, the nickel is worth 5 cents, and the dime is worth 10 cents. Our last coin is called a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. To show 25 cents with our blocks, we would need 25 blocks, right? So to get 25 blocks, we need 2 tens blocks and 5 ones blocks. This set of tens blocks represents a quarter. So we have our penny that is worth 1 cent, our nickel that is worth 5 cents, our dime that is worth 10 cents, And last of all, our quarter that is worth 25 cents. Okay, can you tell me which coin is worth more, the dime or the quarter? The quarter is worth more. We can see that the dime is worth 10 of these blocks, and the quarter is worth 25 of these blocks. A quarter is worth more than a dime. Which coin is worth more here, the nickel or the dime? The dime is worth more. Good job. The dime is worth 10 cents and the nickel is worth 5 cents. 10 is more than 5. Let's look at one more. Here we have the penny and the nickel. Which coin is worth more? Good job! The nickel is worth more than the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Since each of these coins has a different value, there are many ways to add these up. For example, I am getting paid 25 cents to mow this lawn. Let's look at some ways I can get paid 25 cents. Here are a couple of ways we can get 25 cents. We are using the blocks to help us. Here we have 2 tens blocks and 5 ones. These 2 tens blocks can each be dimes since they both represent 10. The 5 ones can represent a nickel since a nickel is worth 5 cents. Together we have 20 cents in dimes and 5 cents with a nickel, which makes 25 cents altogether. Great job, guys! The next group we are looking at has 1 tens block and 15 ones. So we could represent the tens block with a dime, and the 15 ones could all be pennies. Adding the dime and 15 pennies gives us 25 cents. There are many ways to do this, and we just looked at 2, but you can do so many more on your own. Thanks for helping me learn the basics of money, guys. I really appreciate it. I have to get mowing now, so I will see you guys later. Goodbye! Thank you for watching. Please share the video and subscribe.
Understand the value of coins in the video? So now let's discuss it further. So on this slide, I have different coins. So first, I have 50 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. Now let's discuss their value. So a 50 cents coin is equivalent or is equal to 5 10 cents. So it means that the value of one 50-cent coin is the same as the 5 10 cents coin. Or it's also same in value of 10 pieces or 10 5-cent coin. How about a 10 cents coin? So 10 cents is equal to or it has the same value of 2 5 cents. Or 10 cents has the same value with 10 1 cent. While on the other hand, for 5 cents or 5-cent coin, it is equal or has the same value as 5 1-cent coin. Did you understand the value? Okay. Okay, now I have here a table. It is divided into 2 columns. In the first column or on the left column are the value of coins. So we have 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents. While on the second column or on the right side of the table are the amount in words. So for example, for 1 cent, it is written as 1 and then cent. C-E-N-T. For 2 cents, it is written as 2 cents. 2, C-E-N-T-S. And as follows for the other values of coin, like 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents. So observe that in words, 1 cent doesn't end with letter S because it is singular or only one. While on the other hand, the other values of coin, such as 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents, they all ends with S because it means that they are plural or more than one. Did you get it? Okay, let's continue. Now for your activity book or for your workbook, please open it to page 186. So for practice, match coins to the correct amount of money. So this time, I want you to answer in your workbook. Okay, let's start. The first one, 20 cents, where's the value? Okay. How about the second one? It is 10 cents. The third one, what is the value of the coin? Correct, it is 50 cents. How about the fourth one? Okay, it is 2 cents. Next, it is 5 cents. And lastly, it is, okay, correct, it is 1 cent. Now, did you get all the answers correctly? Okay, very good. Make sure to write the answers on your workbook. This time, complete the table. So, in the first column are the coins, and the second column is their value, and the last column would be their amount in words. So, I'll give you a few minutes to answer your books. Okay, are you finished? Okay, let me see if your answers are correct or your answers are same as my answers. For the first one, okay, 10 cents. Followed by 50 cents. Next, 5 cents. The fourth one is, okay, 20 cents. And how about the last coin? How will you write or how did you write the value? Okay, it's 1 and then the sign of the cent. And the last one is 1 cent. Now for our activity, complete the table below. So you have to copy the table on your notebook or in a piece of paper. And then you have to complete the table, okay? So make sure to finish the activity. After that, ask your parents, your mom, or your dad to take a photo and send it to me in class dojo. And then after that, after I receive your activity, I'll give you additional 5 points. Sounds good? Okay, so I hope that you will enjoy this activity. End of our lesson for today. So hope you learned and you enjoy our video. So once again, kids, always stay at home and be safe. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye, kids!